Chapter 5, number 4, you're going to solve each inequality here. So the way we solve this is the same way as you did with the equation sign. Okay, you want to isolate the variable by itself. We have a -4 on the left, so we're going to add 4 to both sides. In this process, this does cancel, leaving you with a 2y on the left. Bring down the inequality does not change. -28 plus 4 becomes -24. There's a 2 in front of the y, so we divide by 2 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with just a y. The inequality does not change because we're dividing just by a positive value. -24 divided by 2, it is -12. This is your final answer. Next, B. We have x divided by -10 minus 2 is greater than or equal to -4. We're going to add 2 to both sides here, so this cancels, just leaving you with an x divided by -10, which is greater than or equal to -2. Now you want to multiply by -10 to both sides, so this does cancel, leaving you with just an x. Notice when we multiply by this -10, the inequality flips. The -2 times -10 becomes a +20. Okay, let's look at C. We have x divided by 2 plus 13 is greater than or equal to 8. So we're going to subtract 13 to both sides, leaving you with, this cancels, leaving you with just an x divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 8 minus 13, which is -5. We have a divide by 2 here, so we're going to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. This does cancel, just leaving you with just an x is greater than or equal to -10. That would be your final answer. The inequality does not flip because we multiply it by just a positive. Letter D, 1/4 x minus 9, that is less than -5. We want the variable alone, so we're going to add 9 to both sides. In this process, this does cancel, leaving you with a 1/4 x is less than 4. This is a divide by 4, so we're going to multiply by 4 to both sides. This does cancel, just leaving you with just an x is less than 16. So you can say x is less than 16 here. Notice in all these problems we were solving, these are all two-step problems. The only one that you flipped the inequality was B, because you multiplied by a negative value.